Alright everyone, now we are here in the Kota Lama Semarang. Let me share some fun fact about the Kota Lama Semarang. The first fun fact, Kota Lama is often called as the Little Netherlands. Why? Because if you look around, the buildings here look very European. If you notice, in the colonial era, this area was designed to resemble cities in the Netherlands. So technically, you are in Indonesia, but the atmosphere may feel a little bit like in the Europe. And the second fun fact, that some buildings here are more than 200 years old. And this building, imagine that. These buildings already exist long ago, before cars, airplanes, or even electricity. And surprisingly, many of them are still standing strong today. I think the buildings are older than all of us if combined.
It's impossible.
That's right. So, let's come over here. Okay, now let's talk about the Gereja Belenduk. The word Belenduk comes from Japanese language meaning round or bulging, referring to the giant dome on top of the church. Right there. So basically local people look at the church and said, "Wow, that roof is very round." And the name stayed forever. Sometimes history is actually very simple. Another interesting fact, this area used to be very busy with international traders. Hundreds of years ago, merchants from Europe, China, Arabia, and different parts of Asia came here for business.
Seriously?
Yes, of course. So Kota Lama was like an international meeting point long before globalization became a modern term. Hmm. Bagus deh. And the next fun fact, that is many old buildings here have changed functions. What used to be offices or warehouse are now to be like cafes, restaurants, and some art spaces. So nowadays, people come here not only to learn history but also to drink coffee and take aesthetic photos on Instagram. History and social media have become good friends here. As you can see over there, there is a photo booth with them like kind of newspaper, so unique, so traditional, and that's so interesting to some visitors from the other country like that. Okay, all right. And here's was and here's one of the most mysterious stories. Some people believe there are underground tunnels beneath Kota Lama. According to the local stories, the tunnel were used to during colonial times for military purposes or emergency escapes routes.
Yeah.
Yes, nobody knows exactly how many tunnels still exist today. So if you hear strange sounds underground later, maybe don't go alone. Yeah, that's the disclaimer. Now I have the last fun fact about the Kota Lama. Kota Lama looks very different at night. Just so you know, when the lights turn on, the atmosphere becomes more romantic and cinematic. That is why many movies, music videos, and pre-wedding photos are taken here. Honestly, almost every corner here look photogenic, as you can see. So after the tour, don't forget to take pictures. Otherwise, people may not believe you were here. Do you want some picture to
Yes.
take?
Yes.
Okay, I can take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see. Yeah, good, right?
Good.
Yes, of course. All right, everyone. There are still many stories waiting for us in Kota Lama Semarang, but I think it's time to you guys explore the Kota Lama. I'll give you the 30 minutes to explore the Kota Lama around here. So just make fun and don't get lost. Okay, see you.